I have officially decided to start focusing on something good every day, because life is hard and the world is evil, but there is something good to be found in every day. And today I am thankful and grateful to be working as a producer on a film set. I'm very thankful for it. I love film. I'm glad to be doing something that I love. I'm in here chilling with all of our gear. Lots of things to make a film. Sometimes the mere act of getting to do something you love should be enough. So, I'm grateful for it. That's my thing.